Okay, so next stage, flooring. I've never laid any kind of laminate or vinyl flooring, so this is going to be really interesting. The kind of stuff that I got is a vinyl plank peel and stick. You can get it at Home Depot is where we got ours, and it looks like this. Stick. Whoa. Planking. I think for everything I needed 96 square feet. We're gonna do obviously all right here. I might have to somehow get under that. So this is gonna be interesting because ideally what I should have done is left this faceplate off, and then I could put the flooring underneath that so it'd slide out a little. We might need to trim off a little bit of the bottom so it can pull out a little bit easier. But we're gonna do all of this, all into the bathroom, and all of that. And then back here, that's gonna be interesting. Around the tub, or the toilet's gonna be interesting. So yeah. Like I said, I've never laid any kind of flooring or anything like that, but this stuff, it's called gray ash. And Home Depot didn't have a ton of selection. They had gray ash, like a red oak, and I think they had like a something a little bit lighter, and then like a really gray. So this is more of a dark grayish. Courtney doesn't think it's gray, but yeah, I mean it says gray ash on it, so I'll tend to go for that. But this is kind of what they look like. So they're super thin. Whoop. And then it just has a little peel and stick on the back. So you can, if you need to cut it, you should be able to measure it out, razor blade, and then kind of snap it off. I may put a little construction adhesive on the back so it sticks a little bit easier. I was going back and forth, okay, should I do like a laminate or should I do this peel and stick vinyl? This is a lot more flexible. You know, with trailers, when you're driving down the road and stuff, you're bending, and I just feel like this is gonna be a lot better, and it's way cheaper. So this was 99 cents a square foot, whereas laminate was like $2.30 square foot, depending on what kind you got. So I got 3 boxes, which is 36 square feet a box, and I think I got them for like, I mean, it was under $100. I think it was 80 or 90 bucks for the 3 of them. So, and I mean, it's pretty hard, so I think it's spills or dirt or mud or anything like that, I think it's gonna wipe up really easy, which is good with kids, and we're going camping, so any kind of dirt or anything like that, it shouldn't be too bad. So I'm really excited to lay this because I've never laid anything before. So wish me luck. And voila, this is what the floor turned out like. Looks so good. So this is from Home Depot. This is the gray ash peel and stick. All I did was put a little construction adhesive on the back and then just plop, laid it down, and I staggered them. So as you can see, like seam right there, clear, then seam on the other side. So you stagger them so you don't have just like one solid seam throughout. It just looks really bad. So now what I'll probably do is, you see there's little gaps along the edge. I'll probably just take a little white or clear silicone and just kind of touch it up a little bit. Had a really big issue right here because it kind of curves down, and you can see I'm not very good at laying this, and so, but I think it turned out really good, honestly, for what it is and what we're going to be using it. It's turned out really pretty slick, and it cleans up so easy. So anyway, that's the flooring. If you have any questions or comments, go ahead and leave a comment in the bottom, subscribe, and let us know what you think.